Welcome to the video. Today, we're tackling an interesting problem with Python code that involves a syntax error in a seemingly innocuous line. The problem arises when a piece of code that should work perfectly fine in Python 3.112 unexpectedly throws an error in version 3.8. The specific line causing the issue relates to indexing in a NumPy array, which leads to confusion among developers. Moving on to the solution, we delve into the technical details of how a syntax error was introduced due to grammar changes in PEP 646 variadic generics. The fix for this issue comes in the form of a workaround that highlights the subtle nuances in Python's syntax versions 3.10 and 3.11. By examining a minimal reproducer, we can see the direct impact of these grammar changes on the code execution, ultimately shedding light on why the error occurs in specific Python versions. In summary, we've explored a unique glitch in Python syntax that puzzles developers when attempting to index a NumPy array. The unanticipated syntax error, caused by changes in grammar due to PEP 646, serves as a valuable lesson in understanding the intricacies of Python versions. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to navigate similar challenges in your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below.